4 more wins. 4 more wins and the league is ours. I am so excited about that. But that does not mean that I was very happy about the last night's match. This video could be easily very dark and gritty, that sort of a video, because I was so angry. Like, thanks to that Jota goal that he just made it go away, because that refereeing was seriously questionable. And I will say that we did not have a very pleasant watch as well. I'm not saying that we were a very good team out there. After the goal I would say yes, but before the goal I would say not at all. ना. But जैसे तैसे करके we had to get this result, because we know जिस तरीके से अपना इंटरनेशनल ब्रेक से पहले एक वीक गया था, we had to brush it off. We had to. So a win was really necessary in this particular match, and that too against Everton. Like, we have to win yaar against them. These idiots. Like, why am I saying this? You know how irritating it is to play against them. Don't you feel that? No matter who the manager is, you know, it's always so irritating to play against them. I don't know what is it about them. Like, you just feel that भाई इसको खत्म करो यार, इनको like छोड़ो यार, मतलब हमको और नहीं देखना है तुमको खेलते हुए. फर्स्ट लेग जब उनके अगेंस्ट खेले थे, लिटरली पूरी रात सो नहीं पाई थी यार, और आज फिर से रात को मैच था. एंड भाई प्लीज़ भगवान प्लीज़ इस बार थोड़ा हेल्प कर देना इस मैच में, क्योंकि एक तो इंटरनेशनल ब्रेक के बाद आए हैं. जब भी हम ब्रेक के बाद आते हैं, लिवरपूल का रिकॉर्ड इतना अच्छा रहता नहीं है. प्रॉब्लम इज, जैसे ही मैंने लाइन अप देखा, आई वाज लाइक हो गया खत्म, डन. क्यों देख रही हूँ मैं मैच, सो जाती हूँ, क्योंकि अगर और मैच देखूंगी मुझे पता है मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा गुस्सा आने वाला है. जैसी लाइन अप देखा, सेम फॉरवर्ड लाइन. इस फॉरवर्ड लाइन ने क्या दिया है स्लॉट को, मेरे को ये बताओ. कल के मैच के बारे में हम बाद में बात करते हैं, लेकिन मैं वैसे ही पूछ रही हूँ. जब आप लाइन अप को देखोगे, यू नो, यू नीड अ विन, बिकॉज कुछ भी हो सकता है लीग में. इट्स नॉट लाइक इट्स गिवन कि हाँ वी आर गोना विन. आई एम जस्ट सेइंग दैट बिकॉज आई हैव टू बी फुली कॉन्फिडेंट व्हेन आई नो दैट आई एम विनिंग इट. इट्स नॉट लाइक कि हाँ ठीक है इतना पॉइंट लीड है, तुम क्या करोगे, कुछ भी हो सकता है. यू नो दिस इज फुटबॉल, एनीथिंग कैन हैपन. सो व्हेन आई सॉ दैट लाइन अप एंड आई एम लाइक व्हाई द सेम फॉरवर्ड लाइन. अगर एक क्वालिटी वाले फॉरवर्ड के बारे में बात करें, दैट इज मोहम्मद साला, हु इज गोइंग टू गेट यू गोल्स, हु इज गोइंग टू गेट यू असिस्ट एंड एवरीथिंग. तो अगर उसी के ऊपर हम 3 बंदा लगा दें, डियाज घुसने की कोशिश करेगा नहीं, जोटा गोल करेगा नहीं, तो मतलब बचा क्या? Nobody is going to produce anything, which is why I was not very confident about the lineup. And then suddenly you see that right back पे Curtis Jones खेल रहा है. Curtis Jones, like why not Kwanzaa? And Curtis Jones playing on the right back was seeming like a bigger risk to me than that forward line, because शायद फिर draw भी ना हो पाता match. Like, I was seriously in that mindset when I saw that lineup. We have been so good in the first half of the season, and I want to finish it off on that note, because under a new manager you suddenly win such a big trophy. So of course I just wanted to end in a very good note. These all are my thoughts before I had to get into the match. अगर पिकफोर्ड के बारे में बात कर ही रहे हैं, टारकोस्की के बारे में आएंगे. पिकफोर्ड ने जो डार्विन नूनियस पे चैलेंज किया था, that's typical rat move, that's typical पिकफोर्ड move. You know what he did. Like, पहले भी जब एवर्टन के अगेंस्ट अपना मैच हुआ था, पिकफोर्ड ने देखा ऑफसाइड था और उसने इसी तरीके का एक बहुत गंदा टैकल किया था वैन डाइक पे, which he could have avoided. Where is the bloody sportsmanship in this? Tell me. पिकफोर्ड is so irritating. ऑनेस्टली किस तरीके से बस जाके टैकल कर देगा, बिकॉज यू नो रेफरी ने विसल बजा दिया है, वो जाके यहाँ पे कुछ भी कर देगा फिर, कि ही विल नॉट बी हेल्ड अकाउंटेबल फॉर, क्योंकि उसके पास एक्सपीरियंस है ये सब करने का. ही डज नॉट केयर एट ऑल कि जो भी हो रहा है विसल बजा देगा, अब मैं कुछ भी करने को रेडी हूँ, मेरे को तो कुछ मिलने नहीं वाला. एंड येलो कार्ड दिया डार्विन नूनियस को उसके बाद येलो कार्ड दिया. भाई मतलब कुछ भी चल रहा था रेफरिंग वाइज. हम लोग 10 men अगेंस्ट एवर्टन खेल रहे होते 10th मिनट पे ही, बट वी वर प्लेइंग अगेंस्ट 12 men एवर्टन. दैट्स हाउ इट वॉज फॉर अस. इट वॉज सो डिफिकल्ट. हर चीज़, लाइक कोई भी फाउल हो रहा है, कुछ भी टैकल हो रहा है, रेफरी इज लाइक टर्निंग हिज ब्लाइंड आई ऑन इट. आई डोंट नो, नथिंग इज हैपनिंग, जस्ट गेट अप एंड मूव ऑन. एंड देन 10th मिनट टारकोस्की चैलेंज ऑन मैकलिस्टर. हाउ इज दैट नॉट अ रेड? पहली बार पूरा का पूरा समाज, फुटबॉल वर्ल्ड, पंडित सब हमारे साथ खड़े हुए हैं इस चीज़ को बोलने के लिए कि दैट वाज अ क्लियर रेड. टारकोस्की न्यू व्हाट ही वाज डूइंग विद दैट ब्लडी चैलेंज. But there is Paul Tierney on VAR, and he's like, nah, come on, it's not even a yellow, but ठीक है, if you want to give it a yellow, you give it a yellow. I'm telling you, that's how Paul Tierney must be thinking there. No, not at all. Oof, he's making more of it. Like, what was that? Like, seriously, what was that? अरे आपको याद होगा लास्ट 94th 95th मिनट चल रहा था, एवर्टन का कॉर्नर था, पिकफोर्ड वहाँ पे आ गया, हम लोग ट्रांजिशन में हिट करने वाले हैं उनको, रेफरी ने बेफालतू का फाउल दे दिया, बेफालतू का. मतलब I'm telling you, sometimes it's just too annoying to watch the things that happen on the pitch, and then you realize that, oh my god, you have to like go through all of this and then end up winning matches, so it's understandable. But I'm so happy that yesterday Luis Diaz turned up. I'm so happy yesterday Jota turned up and he got us that goal. That is a bloody Jota goal. Like, you know, we have seen Jota do that so many times. He'll take the defender hands on, he will cut in, he finds those little spaces and he produces something magical in those few seconds that he gets the ball. I was missing this thing from Jota because Jota used to be so clinical in front of the net, and this is what we wanted, like that FIFA type wala Jota ki just come there, just score the goal and that's it, we're done. But if I'm talking about Luis Diaz, yes, I have criticized him a lot. And when it comes to final third, I'm still going to criticize him because final third mein humko productivity output chahiye. You have definitely given an amazing work rate. I appreciate that. You were seriously incredible yesterday. But when it comes to final third, I need to see that output. But other than that, I think Luis Diaz gave a magnificent performance. I'm so happy that he did that. It seemed not more like a forward performance, but as a midfielder, like we were playing with 4 men. So Luis Diaz gives us that sort of performance because काफ़ी बॉक्स टू बॉक्स खेलता है, वो बॉल बहुत बढ़िया कैरी करता है, डिस्पोजेस करता है, बट एट द एंड ऑफ द डे आई सीरियसली वांट टू सी हिम गेट दैट कॉन्फिडेंस टू जस्ट take the defenders hands on and get inside the box and score or maybe create something. Like this is what I want to see from Luis Diaz, but no doubt whatever he did on that pitch yesterday truly deserves appreciation because he did incredibly well. Then comes Mohamed Salah. So same story I'm telling you. There are like 2-3 defenders, like literally I was watching his movement against the defenders. It was clearly that because he's playing so wide, he's playing so damn wide, and then he has to carry the ball from there. There are like 2-3 defenders like defending him from there. There's nothing that you can get out of, which is why it's really necessary to have the forwards who are as threatening as Mohamed Salah could be. So then the opposition has to be wary of all the forwards, not just one. So that is what is necessary for us moving forward. But I have to talk about Curtis Jones. I did not expect that performance from Curtis Jones as right back. I thought maybe it was just a like एकदम से सोचा कि हाँ ठीक है कर्टिस को खिला देते हैं, बट Arne Slot said in the interview, post-match interview, that it was something that he was planning for very long, that Curtis is somebody who could play as a right back, and what a bloody job he did, man. Oh God, Curtis को कल देख के I was like, oh, and there is a reason for it, you know. हम Curtis को जब भी midfield में खेलता देखते हैं, we always see him hold the ball for a few seconds longer than is needed, because in midfield you're supposed to like, you know, win the ball back and just pass, win the ball back, and you can't be like just roaming around in the midfield with ball for that long, right? Curtis is somebody who likes to have ball, like who'd like to have ball on his feet and then see and then, you know, pass the ball. That's how he is. But then yesterday, playing as a right back, he got that space, he got the ball on his feet, and he knew that he could like pass to whomever he wants to because he has that time on his hands, and I think he did incredibly well. I'm so happy with him. His performance was seriously worth appreciating. But वो जो उसने लास्ट में एक डिफेंड करके चांस रोका था, आई डोंट नो भाई किसने वो पास किया था, बट वो जो बॉल आया था वो डेफिनेटली एवर्टन स्कोर कर देता वहाँ से. बट कर्टिस जोन्स ने क्या डिफेंड किया है वहाँ, सो गुड, like so damn good Curtis was yesterday. I'm so happy that that's how he turned up, and that's the difference between manager and us, I feel, because manager saw that he could play there, and maybe I don't know why he did not pick Kwanzaa, but then there is a bit issue with Arne Slot. I think there are the players that he trusts and there are the players he does not trust, and the players he does not trust, he'll not trust them at all. Like Chiesa on the bench, Harvey Elliott on the bench. Kwanzaa used to be like, had become sort of a regular under Klopp, but now when you see under Slot, we ourselves feel very shaky when it comes to him. But if you're talking about shaky, bhai, kal Konate and Van Dijk, before that goal happened, oh my God, what was happening? I have not seen Van Dijk play like that. But after that goal, it was like much better, much better. Robertson again, a workhorse, gave a phenomenal performance. I'm not saying phenomenal as in कि भाई बहुत तबाही मचाया है, मतलब Robertson के हिसाब से it was a good performance from Robertson. Midfield के बारे में बात करें, I think that I did not like the midfield as much as I would say that I wanted them to work. मुझे इससे पहले लगता था that they need a break, but then you know that McAllister, Szoboszlai, they have been playing so much for their countries as well. तो of course rest तो मिला नहीं, ये international break सिर्फ मतलब बाकी लोगों के लिए होगा, but they are तो still playing ना, so there is no break at all, so whatever that is. But midfield मुझे थोड़ा और better करता दिख सकता था. Gravenberch did well. Szoboszlai again a workhorse. McAllister could have like gotten वो Tarkowski वाला red card, and then other challenges also that he was making were there. Like ठीक है, we were trying to win the ball back, but honestly I feel the players that I have mentioned before, Jota, Luis Diaz, Curtis Jones, even Kelleher, I think Kelleher did incredibly well as well. He was very calm, very like I think that for his age, and I'm not saying he's very young, but seriously Kelleher looked so calm in front of the net, and that kahin na kahin saved us, because you know that Konate and Van Dijk looked shaky. So which is that Kelleher had to be at his absolute best, and I'm happy that he was. And we got that goal, and we got that 3 points, much needed 3 points. There is a 12-point gap on the table right now. We have to maintain that gap. Let's go. Just 4 more wins to go, and the league is ours. It'll be the 20th Liverpool title. I can't wait for that. And Everton, like, has not won anything from the past 3 decades, and what to talk about them. It's always an irritating watch when we are playing against them, and then comes the referees. But still, I do not understand that 85th मिनट या कभी 90th मिनट या सिर्फ एक्स्ट्रा टाइम पे ही तुम किएसा को क्यों नहीं ला सकते. आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड. गैक्पो भी आया था, जब भी गैक्पो जितने टाइम पे भी आया completely invisible, because you know Luis Diaz में जो स्पीड है, वो फ्लेयर है, वो भी एकदम बंद हो गया था. गैक्पो डज नॉट हैव स्पीड, तो जिसकी वजह से आप देखोगे जैसे ही लुइस डियाज गया, लेफ्ट से भी कुछ भी होना बंद हो गया था. तो काफ़ी सारा गेम एकदम सेंट्रली हम लोग खेलने लग गए थे. तो या ठीक है, मतलब आई फील दैट इफ़ यू कुड गेट गैक्पो ऑन, यू कुड हैव इवन गॉटन किएसा ऑन, एटलीस्ट उसको भी थोड़ा टाइम मिले यार. एलियट को लेके आओ, बट कुछ नहीं कर सकते. देखो अभी शायद अगले मैचेस में क्या ट्राई करेंगे नहीं करेंगे, डू नॉट नो, बट दैट्स हाउ इट इज़. Yeah, so that is the video, guys. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, hit the bell icon so you never miss a video from me. Thank you so much for watching. Namaste.